Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Siti Humariatu Saada, and today I will analyze a movie review video from YouTube. And the movie I reviewed is Avatar: Fire and Ash. And in this video, I will explain about the factual statement, the opinion, the purpose of the reviewers, and then the tone of the reviewer, and also my critical reflection about the review. Okay, for the first, the reviewer discussed the newest Avatar movie directed by James Cameron, and he talks about the movie's visual effect and the storyline, the characters, the music, and overall cinematic experience. And throughout the review, the speakers combines factual information and personal opinions to evaluate the quality of the movie. Okay, and the first, I want to identify fact and opinion. For the first factual statement is when the reviewer says that Avatar: Fire and Ash is part of three of James Cameron's Avatar saga. This is a fact because it can be verified officially through movie information. And then the second factual statement is when he mentioned that the movie stars Sam Worthington and Zoe Saldana. This is factual because these actors are officially listed in the cast. And then the third factual statement is when the reviewer explained that humans are trying to take over Pandora and are researching ways to breathe on the Pandora without masks. And this is part of the actual storyline shown in the movie. And then the next is the opinion. The first opinion is when the reviewer says that the film look incredible. This is an opinion because visual quality can be judged differently by different viewers. And then the second opinion is when he says that the movie is thematically disappointing. This reflects his personal evaluation about the story and the times. And then the third opinion is when he states that James Cameron may be a too tricky pony, and this is a purely subjective because it represents the reviewer personal criticism toward the director's filmmaking style. And then the next, I want to explain about the speaker purpose. I believe the speaker's main purpose is both to inform and also persuade. For the first, he informs the audience by explaining the plot, the characters, and technical aspect of the movie. And he also gives information about the CGI, the music, the story development, and then the second is he persuades viewers by sharing his judgment and encouraging the audience to agree with his opinions about the strength and the weakness of the film. And the reviewer also entertains the audience because he uses humor, sarcasm, and casual expression throughout the video. And then the next is tone of the reviewer. The reviewer's tone changed during the video, but overall, I will describe it as a critical, humorous, and enthusiastic. For the example, when he discussing the CGI visual, the reviewer sounds enthusiastic because he praises the visual effect and describes them as realistic and impressive. And then however, when he discussing the storyline, he becomes more critical and disappointed. And he says that the movie feels repetitive and emotionally less impactful than previous Avatar movies. And the reviewer also uses humor and sarcasm in some parts, especially when joking about the characters and movie formulas. And this makes the review more entertaining and engaging for viewers. And then the last is from my opinion about the video review. In my opinion, the reviewer gives logical arguments in many parts of the review, especially when discussing the CGI quality and repetitive storytelling. And I think his explanation about the visual is confusing because they provides detailed example from the movie. And his also comparison between this movie and previous Avatar film also helps support his argument. However, I also think some of his opinion are slightly biased because he compares the movie too much with earlier Avatar movies and expects something completely new from James Cameron. And then overall, I believe the review is balanced enough because the reviewer mentioned both positive and negative aspects of the movie instead of only criticizing it. I think it's enough for me, and thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video.